walked on the train and there was a pigeon. And I'm so cold. So I can drive him nuts. It's so weird, guys. I'm amazing. We're searching for the lost and found. Hey guys, it's me, Tammy T, and welcome back to my channel. So today, guys, I'm doing a very exciting video. I'm doing a week in my life. My first week at Bird College. So excited, just left. And I'm heading to the train station. It's like 6:10. My train's at 6:25. I'm going to insert a clip of me getting ready right now. So yeah. Oh guys, I'm so excited. It's my makeup. What do you guys think? I don't know. I currently have my water in my hand because it won't fit in my bag. So I'm gonna try and find a way for it to fit in my bag while I'm on the train. So look alright, guys. Oh my god, I feel like my hair isn't high enough. I might do my hair higher. But yeah, I'm almost at the train station. Just need to cross. And yeah. Hi guys, so I'm currently in a rush back home because it's like 2:25 and my Zoom talk thingy is at 2:30. So I'm like fast walking. Just got on my train and it was a really good day, but it was really good. I had jazz, singing, tech and ballet, and then went to the train station and then came home. And now I'm back, but I think I'm going to be a couple minutes late to the Zoom. Actually, no, maybe not. Okay, there's just some time. I don't even know what it is. It's just like it's just a talk thing for an hour. So, yeah. So that's how it works, guys. So basically, I go in the morning on Sundays, and then on the every other day I go in the afternoon. I don't have any Zoom tomorrow, but I go in at like 2:15, 2:30 or something. It's really weird, like you have to stay in like a square box thing and you're not allowed to leave, and you aren't allowed to leave your studio that you get put in. You get like 10-minute breaks. So yeah, I'll see you probably. I look like an egg. I'll see you probably after the Zoom call. Okay, bye. When I was actually going there this morning, I thought that I was in the wrong place, but like I got there like too early. So like the train that I was reading wasn't my train. I was like, oh, that doesn't stop. I thought I was in the wrong place, but I wasn't. It's fine. I got there. And then on the way back, and I thought I was lost again, but I wasn't. So guys, it's a bit later now. Finished the Zoom thing. It finished like half an hour early. Finished at like 3. And it's now 4:45. And I'm just about to go and have a Pop-Tart. S'mores flavour. Okay guys, so just wanted to say that I think today was really good, okay? The only thing I just want to talk about, it's so weird, guys. Like you can't do anything. Like you have to stay in your little spot. But I'm happy that I'm still able to go. But it's gonna take a bit of getting used to. So hopefully it will get better and not worse, because I'm scared that it will get worse for some reason and we'll have to go home. That would be so bad, and I really don't want that to happen. That would be so annoying. But I hope it gets better. Well, I hope it stays how it is and then gets better. I hope it doesn't get worse. If you guys know what I mean. So tomorrow I've got a bit of a lie-in. I can lie in till 9 or something, because my train is at 12:25. Then I have classes till 6. Then I come home at like 8:30. So yeah, I'm gonna end this day of the vlog. My first day at college is complete. Whoop whoop. Yeah. It was so fun, guys. And tomorrow's gonna be even better. With these like little boxes, yeah, that we have to like stay in. We just have to stay in that little box. Not very much space, but it's fine. At least I'm still there. It's fine. Guys, I'm just editing this video and I just realised I've been explaining stuff like so much, but then some stuff I don't explain at all, and it's like I need to explain that. So basically, when we first got there, I didn't explain this at all. When we first got there, we literally just, I got there about 8:15 probably, and we just stood out there like in our groups waiting for us to be able to go inside. Then we met our group and everything, then we had our temperatures taken and then sanitised our hands, and then went round into our studio. Then we warmed up, started the classes. Oh, and we also had to get into height order and then go in our boxes from there. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3 at the back. And I wouldn't say I'm small, and I'm not tall, but I got put number 4 at the front, so I was the tallest of the shortest. I guess it's good that I'm at the front. Oh, and another thing, because I'm not in an actual dance studio, I'm in like a theatre-y acting dance studio place. Like it has pull-out chairs that you pull out, you know what I mean? Still like a dance studio, like it's still got dance floor, but it's just not, hopefully you know what I mean. Because it's like that, I don't have a mirror in front of me, and there's also screens in front of the pianist, in front of the teacher, the screens, and because there's no mirror, I just kind of have to perform to this black door, which I guess is okay, because I mean you shouldn't be looking at yourself in the mirror all the time, but then again, having a mirror is good because like you can look in the mirror and correct yourself, but I can't do that. Sorry, I'm rambling on, but well, so you can't leave your box, you can't leave your studio, you can't do anything, you can't have your shoes when you go in there. To get your shoes off outside, you have to keep your bags and stuff in a box. You have to, in your own box, you have a box where you stand, and you also have a box for your bag and your clothes and your shoes. It's really strict, guys, but in a way that's good, and it's good that they do have these rules because it's to keep us safe and everything, and the more we listen to the rules, the quicker it's going to go back to normal. I hope. I'm really happy to be there, and now that I finished my week, it was a really good week and I loved it. So yeah, back to the video. Yeah guys, so excited for tomorrow. See you then, bye. Okay, hi guys, it's 9:49 right now and I'm gonna start getting ready because my train is at 12:25. God guys, my bun is so bad, but let's just ignore. And here's my makeup, but I don't even know how to make it better. Should we just leave it, guys? I mean, it's not gonna get any better, so yeah. Okay guys, so this is what I'm wearing today. Just this pink top. Hopefully I'm allowed to wear this. I'm pretty sure you are. Yeah, I've got ballet, tap and musical theatre ensemble. Don't know what that means, but we'll find out. So I'm only gonna wear this there. I'm not gonna wear it in the classes, if you know what I mean. And I don't know whether empty ensemble you need your New Yorkers. I don't know, but I'm bringing the black ones instead of nude ones because I think you need black ones. I don't really know, but like I said, we're gonna find out. So but yeah, so I'm just wearing this leotard, the one with the lacy bits on the side, just some black leggings, and yeah, my bun still looks quite bad. Doesn't matter, I'm only wearing it for one lesson and then taking it out, so it's fine. Yeah. It's like 11:30, so I still have like an hour. Just want to go now. I feel like I'm gonna talk more about yesterday. So, first got there and we had to take our temperature. Mine was 36. You're not allowed to be 38. At least I get my own box, you know, like, it's okay. I started with jazz and we did this warm up, which was so fun. Then that actually went so quickly. It went so quick. And singing tech was just about learning about breathing and larynx and stuff like that. It's really funny. She said how head voice and chest voice aren't a thing. And I was like, oh, I thought they were. But apparently they're not, guys. Learn something new every day. Yeah, and then we did ballet to finish, which was good. Just learned like basics and everything. And then we came home and then did the Zoom thing. So yeah, sorry I didn't really speak about that much yesterday, so I'll just speak about it. I don't think I did, I can't really remember. And today I have what I just told you, and I'll probably see you again when I'm walking to the train. So yeah, see you then. Hey guys, so just left for the train. It's so loud. 10 minutes past 12 I think. My train's at 12:25. Only a 5-minute walk. My bag is so heavy, oh my gosh. Just have to be positive. I should not have worn this, it's way too hot. But I know later I'll probably be cold. It's a good thing I'm wearing it. Because I got a late finish. Late start, late finish. Finish at 6. So yeah, I'll probably see you then. Because I'm not going to film a lesson. So yeah. So I'm in sick up again, guys, for day 2. So see you after I'm done. Bye. First of all, my drink leaked in my bag, so everything got soaked. These are my point shoes. So I don't even know why I bought them, because I don't think we even do point, but I just put them in my bag. Can't do point to save my life, but I still put them in there. Okay guys, so I'm back home now. So I had ballet, tap, which was really good. I really like tap. And empty ensemble, which was singing, and we did this song and we had to sing in twos, which was really not the best. I was so, that's what I mean, like, I'm not comparing myself to everyone else, but I feel like I'm so bad. It's just really embarrassing, really, because I mean, the only thing that I'm good at really is throwing my leg up in the air or doing an aerial. I'm not, I hope you guys know what I mean. I've got MT Tech, which is basically learning a dance to the song that we sung today, which would be better than actually singing it. Acting Tech, which my friend told me is just sitting down taking notes. So, but she had a different teacher, so mine might be different. And I have Contemporary, which I think my friend said that it's quite good. So I start at 9, finish at 12:30. I'm gonna take my pictures next to the sign, because we still haven't done that yet, because guys, actually after every day it's like crowded. People like taking turns to take their pictures, and it's like we have to go get our train, so like we kind of wanted to wait until it died down a bit. Yeah, we'll do it tomorrow because we don't have any Zoom classes tomorrow. Just finish at 12:30 and then that's it. So talking for like so long, guys, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna go have dinner. I'm gonna FaceTime my friend and I'll go sleep, and then I have to wake up at 5 tomorrow, so see you in the morning. Hey guys, so it's another early start today. I'm pretty excited today. I'm so excited for today. Makeup's all done. I've got MT Tech, which is learning a dance, acting tech, and then contemporary. So I feel like it's gonna be quite fun. I'm excited. So yeah, going to the train station now. It's like 6:10. I was really tired when I first woke up. I was really tired, but now I'm like okay. And then I finish at 12:30. See you when I get home. Okay, hey guys, so I'm back home now. Today was really good, guys. So basically I had MT Tech, which was basically learning to dance, which the teacher, he said how dancing is like the dancing that we were doing was really good, but we need to like perform more. Yeah, I really do say that we focus too much on dancing and we need to smile and perform and story tell. I had acting, and acting was so fun, guys. It's acting tech, so we just talked about like what we're going to be doing, and then we played a few games. We're acting again tomorrow, and I really liked my teacher. She was really nice. We just played games. It was really fun. Then we had contemporary, and oh my god, guys, it's so scary. Well, no, it wasn't scary. Normally I don't really like, well, I like contemporary, but it's like I like all styles, but like it's the one that I would least. You guys, hopefully you guys know what I mean, but I actually really liked it today. It was at the beginning, he was like, okay, so I want you to tell me your name and why Bird College and what you want to do when you grow up. And guys, everyone else is like, oh, I just loved the atmosphere at the audition. It's like, I didn't do an audition, I just sent in a video. It's like, what am I supposed to say? Like, I don't know. I love to dance, that's why I came here. I didn't get a feel for the place because I didn't even go there, so I'm not meant to say that. Can't say anything about the teacher. I can't really say anything, can I? Because I haven't been there. I don't know, guys. Let me know what you would have said if you got asked that question. Never been there, or you never knew what it was like. That was something. And then I just said how I don't really care what I do. I just want to do anything. I just want to do anything and everything. So I don't really mind. As long as I'm dancing, it doesn't really matter. As long as I'm dancing, having fun, I don't mind. So yeah, we also got we were meant to get our little lanyard things, like our little necklace things, but diplomas didn't get them, which is really sad. I'll show you when I get home. We got our little photo card things, but we didn't get a lanyard thing. Oh, my bag fell. So I hope we get one. I'm currently in a leotard and tights because I forgot to put my leggings on. And I took all my pictures. So yeah, that was really fun. And it's actually so fun, guys, when you go out there and like take a picture. It's so fun. It's so fun. Like now I know what all the fuss is about, because like every time class is finished, like there's a rush to go and get your photos done. Now I know, because like it just feels, it's just so fun. So yeah, I'm home now. So I've been back home for a while now. I literally left my bed undone. I didn't do it this morning because I didn't feel like doing it, but yeah, I'm back home. Like I said, took my pictures, posted them on like Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook and stuff. If you're following me, go like them if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll probably take some more because it's really fun. I just had a spoonful of Nutella. and I was gonna go out with my friend to go and eat something, or just get like a smoothie or something from this Casper's place, but we actually went there and it was closed, so we couldn't. But yeah, so we have Zoom lessons tomorrow, 10:15, so I don't have to wake up till like 8 or something. Not too late and not too early, because yeah. Did I tell you guys I actually found it really hard to wake up this morning? Well, not really, like it was only like the first 10 seconds I was like and then as soon as I got up I was like, oh okay, this is fine. So yeah, I really like today. Tomorrow I have ballet and jazz and acting again. So I have normal acting, not acting tech. Then I have, I got assigned 2 characters that I have to look at. I don't think we have to learn it, just read it. And oh my god, I'm gonna be so bad. I can't act. It's fine. It's only reading the script. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'll tell you, we played those games. It was so fun. I loved it. And I kind of messed up so because guys, I'm so used to playing this game called Splat, my old dad's school, and this one is like the complete opposite. It's like really hard to like do it differently, because the one that we played today is like, it's called, I don't know, it's called Samurai. I don't know what it's called, guys, but basically Splat, if you've heard of Splat, it's like this game where you have to like be really quick to like splat someone and shoot someone and stuff. You have to be really quick, but with this game you have to be like not slow, but like you have to keep a rhythm. So it was hard, but it's fine, it's fun though. And we played this name game and I kept messing it up. Me and this other girl kept messing up because you were meant to say someone's name. So basically the teacher said my name, then I had to say someone else, then they had to say someone else. But then we also did this other thing where you walk to someone when you're saying another person's name. I don't know how to explain it, guys, but let me just tell you, it was hard, but I got it in the end and I stepped up my game and I was actually pretty good by the end of it. So yeah, so I'm probably just gonna lie here. I've got pork chops for dinner. Never tried them before. And then yeah, see you in the morning when I have my Zoom lesson. Bye. Also, another thing, guys, I know my hair isn't the best. It's kind of messy. Well, not kind of, like a lot messy. But I didn't put any hairspray in it. And it's actually alright, apart from that side. It's actually alright. And I didn't put any hairspray in, because I hate hairspray. But yeah, I probably need to put some in, because this side is... yeah, it was alright for today, but I'll hairspray it tomorrow for ballet. What actually do I have? I have jazz first, acting, then ballet's last. So I got my hair in ponytail, then put it up in a bun. So yeah, and I'm gonna wear black tights because I prefer black tights. I don't know, I don't really like pink tights anymore because I haven't worn them for so long. I wore them the other day and I was like, yeah, no, if we're allowed to wear black tights, I'm choosing that option. Like, So yeah, I'm actually going this time. Bye. Okay, hi guys. So I'm just going to the card shop to get a card, obviously, for my mum and my dad, because it's their birthday. So yeah, just walking into the shopping centre. Yeah. I've got my head screwed on because I do drive him nuts. Or do I go just a random boring one? Daddy. No, well, by far the worst. Oh, the coolest. Do super dad. That kind of reminds me of The Greatest Showman. Today's all about you. What's the price? I think I'm gonna go for the drive you nuts one, because I have drived him nuts. This makes sense, really. Okay, probably doesn't make any sense, but I don't care. Okay. I know it looks quite babyish, but I like it. It's cute. Hey guys, I've got them, and you know guys, paying with Apple Pay is like the easiest way to do it ever. There's no limit. You don't even have to bring your card with you. You don't need to get your card out. You literally just tap your phone on it and it does it. So yeah, okay, I'll probably see you now. Well, I've got a Zoom lesson in like half an hour maybe. Hey guys, so I just finished the Zoom thing. Well, I didn't finish it. They said it was only going to go on for half an hour, 40 minutes. But then it got to like 12:10 and I was like, I just had to type in the little chat thing because there's no option for you to unmute yourself, so I just had to type in the little chat thing. Is it okay if I leave now to go get my train, please? Thanks. And then they were like, yeah, it's okay, you can leave. And I was like, okay, bye. And I just left. But I don't know how long it's gonna go on for, but I'll just ask the people when I get there if I missed anything. It was just like sitting down talking about like what you guys don't mean, like what the course is about, stuff like that, and like what we're gonna be doing. So yeah, and now I'm just walking to the train station. Literally left like, I think I've only got like 5 minutes. It's literally right there, so I'll get it. So it's quite dark, but today was so good. I love today. We had jazz, which was more kind of like technical, I would say. Yeah, like the jazz that I had on Monday was more musical theatre jazz, and this was more technique. But yeah, it was really fun. It's really dark. I had acting, and oh my god guys, we did this thing where we had to, it's really hard to explain, but we had to say like a random story or whatever, and then we had to pick, so I was in a group of 3, and then we had to pick a story that one of us said, and then all 3 of us had to say it, and the third person that says it is like always the least believable because they go last and the audience has already heard the story twice. And I was the third person, and also add my bad acting onto that, so like I was terrible. I really hope I improve because I'm actually so bad at acting. Just popping in again, just wanted to let you know that I actually got a compliment from my teacher. She said how it's quite hard being the third person because they've already heard it twice, like I just said. Also how she liked how I focused on the main parts of the story, even though it wasn't my story. Obviously it was someone else's, so the audience got it right, but that wasn't what I was trying to do. But yeah. But she said how she really liked how I focused on the like really dramatic parts of the story. So I guess I think that's basically what she said. And so yeah, at least I got a compliment from her, but still wasn't great. But it was still fun. Pretty sure I will improve. But to be honest, guys, I really don't get the homework. So that's a bit of a problem. She said to research a character, but I can't remember what character she said. Or does she mean that we had to make up our own character or look at our own character, or did she set us a character? I can't remember, and it's really bad. No, I'm pretty sure she just said research character, but like, I don't know. And we also played Two Truths and a Lie, and then we played the hack game again. You know, the game that's kind of like Splat but really different. I'm so bad at that game. I should get taken out like the 5th time. Actually, I was doing pretty well with it today. But yeah, we still haven't got our lanyards yet. And I'm really sad about it, because I really want a lanyard. I'm not sure if we're going to get them, but hopefully we do. But basically, if you lose your little card, guys, you have to pay a £10 or £5 fee. So that's why I really want the lanyard, because then I won't lose the lanyard, but I could lose the card. But the doors haven't opened yet, so I don't need it yet. Then what else? Then I had ballet. And oh my god, ballet. I think I did okay. I was doing good, I think. I hope so. You know how like a teacher compliments you when that you're doing something across the room or something? Yeah. But there was one point where she told us to have better posture because it looks like we don't want to do it. And I was like, that's probably me because I have really bad posture. So yeah, I need to work on my posture. Shoulders back. So yeah, I'll keep working all the way home. So yeah, and then the train, and now I'm back home. It's right there. So, and tomorrow is the last day of the week, last day of this vlog. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this so far. Still have my hair in a bun. And tomorrow I have voice, limber, and acting through song. Did I get that right? I think I did. So yeah, I'm back home now, so see you tomorrow. So obviously earlier when I was here, I left my Zoom a bit early and I asked some people that I was like, in the Zoom, did I miss much? And they just said no and stuff. Had a little conversation with them about the train and stuff. And also, in my jazz lesson, my teacher asked us if we had ever been taught by someone that was sat in a chair. And I said yeah, because I had this ballet teacher once who just sat in his chair. So I said yeah, and I think someone else said yeah, but I think she thought that I meant like I'd only had a teacher sitting in the chair. So she was like, oh, this is going to be completely different for you then. We actually get up and like, you know, this is going to be different for you. And I was like, no, I'm pretty used to it. It's only for one lesson. It's my ballet teacher. So it wasn't for like every single dance lesson I've ever had, but I think that's what she thought I meant. But oh well. And I think that's about it. So yeah, I'm gonna go get ready for bed now. I know I said bye to you guys earlier, but yeah, sorry I keep looking there. I should be looking here, but I don't know, it's just really tempting to look at yourself when you're vlogging on your phone. Let me know if you guys feel the same. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna go get ready for bed now, okay? Because last time I went to bed like so late and I had to wake up so early, so I'm gonna go to bed earlier tonight. It is 9:25, so hopefully I'll be in bed by 10. Guys, I think I'm pretty bad at makeup, but I think this is better. I think I've been doing better as the days go on. I think I prefer this though, without a winged liner. I don't really like winged liner. Well, I mean, I like it, but I'm not good at it. But yeah, I don't really think they care what makeup you wear, to be honest. So, yeah, look at my eyelashes. Oh my god, they look so weird. So I got my new timetable today. Not that one, got a different one. So I've got more online classes that are dance, because that one's all just like talking. Like tomorrow we've got like 3 hours of Zoom. I don't think it will be 3 hours. I think it just says that on the timetable, but I think it will go quicker. But yeah, I have like tap, commercial, jazz and stuff online next week. So, and I only have to leave one of them early. I only have to leave acting early on a Thursday because it finishes at 11:30. My train's at 11:30, 12:30. My train's at 12:25, and I cannot act my way to the train station. Well, I probably could. I might. Depends. Okay guys, I'm in bed right now basically. I just needed to tell you this one thing before I probably forgot it tomorrow. So basically, I was in jazz and we were doing this exercise, right? And we are in numbers in our boxes, and I was an even number, and then the teacher did odd numbers first, then even. So the odd numbers went once, and then I went once. But, like, everyone in my even numbers just, like, stopped dancing. Like, I guess, I don't really know what happened. I guess because they forgot the combination, I don't really know. But, like, everyone stopped. I was the only one that carried on. And then the teacher just, like, looked at me and said, clapped, and, like, said, well done and stuff. And that like threw me off, and then I missed out a step, but then I carried on and everyone else carried on. Like, I was the only one who remembered it. I think that's what happened. But yeah, sorry, I just had to tell you that story before I went to bed and then forgot tomorrow. So yeah, good night. Okay guys, so it's like 13 minutes past 6 right now. And I'm so cold. It's so cold. So yeah, I'm really cold. But I have voice. And you have to bring a towel, apparently, because you're not allowed to bring a mat. So I need to bring a towel. And I've also got ATS, which is acting for song. So yeah. And then when I come home, I've got 3 Zoom talks that run from 2:30 to 6. So that's gonna be fun. Apparently, because on the timetable it says library talk 2:30 till 3:30, and on the timetables normally they say that they're an hour, but they're actually not. They're only like half an hour, 40 minutes. So I think I will get a bit of break in between them. so it won't be completely soon for 2:30 till 6, even though it does basically say that on the timetable. We'll just see when we get to it. And oh, my bag's fallen down. And yeah, so I need to get to the train station because my train. But yeah, guys, so after today, I will finish my first week at the college. So excited. And yeah, it's been really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry, it's just basically been loads of talking really, but I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you did. Let me know if you didn't. Yeah. Okay guys, so my phone's literally about to die, but because I stupidly forgot to charge my portable charger this morning, or last night, and I'm on my way back home. I just finished. Halfway back. I'm at London Waterloo. The train's right here, but I'm just going to walk down a bit. So I've still got 20 minutes until it starts to sleep. But yesterday, my jazz teacher, she said that she was actually, like, not in charge, but, like, she looked at all of the video auditions. Which is quite funny because my video audition was so bad, I don't know how I got in, guys. But she looked at all the video auditions. Just walked on the train and there was a pigeon. It literally flew in my face. Sat on the train, but there's no one on the train. Had a great day, guys. It was so good. Last day of my first week. But it's gonna be so weird because I normally dance on the weekends, but this weekend I'm not gonna. I've been set quite a lot of homework actually. And yeah, so I have a couple of Zoom lessons. They've actually been cut down to not stopping at 6. It's going to stop at 4:45, I think. Yeah, my phone's probably gonna die, so I'll see you after the Zoom. Oh, and we got our lanyards, but we didn't get the little plastic thing on the end. But I'm pretty sure I have one at home, but we got them, so I'm happy. But yeah, okay, bye. Okay guys, well, that was boring. It's just a library talk thing, but like she was just like, so we have books, and more books. And my bed doesn't feel like a bed anymore. My bed feels like a rock. I've been sat on it for so long. But yeah, I got my... Dude, look, my face is horrible. But I put a little plastic thing on the end, so... And I'm gonna finish my cheese sandwich because I didn't have time to eat it. So good. So guys, like I said, I had voice, which is going to be split into 2 topics, which is voice and accents. And it's just like speaking. Okay, then I had limber. The shower's running, by the way. I had limber, which was just like stretching. And then ATS, which is acting through song. And we didn't sing the song, we just like spoke it. And I looked at the punctuation and talked about how you'd have to act and sing at the same time. Yeah. And also guys, about my jazz teacher looking at the auditions, she said to us that like before work every morning she would get out like a laptop or something and just be like, right, let's look at 20 kids. And to think that I was one of those 20 kids that she looked at and I got picked. It's crazy. I don't know how that happened. I mean, my audition video. Let me know if you want me to post it on YouTube. Definitely won't. But yeah, let's just say, I don't know how. I really do not know how I got in because, yeah. Then she also asked us if we just did one take or we kept doing those takes. And to be honest, I was quite good. I didn't take loads of takes, but like it was one exercise when I kept doing it over and over again because I'm just such a perfectionist. But that was like the only thing that I did. But the stuff that I did in the studio, like the ballet thing, I all just did one take because we were in a lesson and it was like the day before everything shut and everything. So yeah, I think I only did my song twice as well. I think I only recorded it twice and I used the second one. And my monologue, I think I did quite a lot actually. I actually can't remember, but I mean, let me know if you would like to see that, but I'll probably never post it because, yeah. Meeting at 3:45 and it's 3:26. So yeah. Okay guys, so I finished all the Zoom talks and basically what just happened is he was actually kind of you know, he like was being really strict with all the rules and everything, which was really good, telling us what we should do, what we shouldn't do. And basically I wrote some notes and it's that we have to research everything, we have to know everything inside and out. Like for example, he asked someone what their favourite musical was and then they couldn't name the person that written it or directed it, and like we need to know that stuff. But he asked someone and they didn't know, so basically I need to research stuff like that, and I'm not allowed to film, so I'm really sorry that this vlog has been kind of just me talking like this. Hope you liked it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, let me know. But you're not allowed to film, I'm professional, which I understand, that's fine with me. And professionalize your social media, so our social media has to be professional, because when people look at you for jobs, they go onto your social media and look at what you post, and you have to make sure that everything you post is what you want people to see. And then every day is an audition, so you have to be really nice and friendly and positive, because we are an ambassador of Bird College, and I need to focus on me because I am amazing. Don't compare myself. I do that a lot and I need to stop. I'm amazing. We're all amazing. Otherwise you wouldn't have picked us, so. Oh, yeah. Also let me know if you want to see another video like this, like maybe not on week 1 again, like a day in the life. Let me know if you want to see it. Bye! So guys, I really enjoyed my first week at Bird College. It was so good and I cannot wait till next week. I just really hope everything goes back to normal pretty soon, and next week's gonna be really good. We have more online lessons, dance lessons online and stuff, so that'll be good. And yeah, so sorry this vlog is so long, but please give it a big thumbs up to let me know if you liked it, and please subscribe down below because I'd love to see you in my next video. So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye!